What does it mean to live a life that defies convention, embraces reinvention, and leaves a trail of unforgettable melodies? For Boy George, the answer lies in a kaleidoscopic journey that blends music, fashion, and raw authenticity. From the buzzing heart of London's nightlife to the global stage, his story is a symphony of triumphs, trials, and transformations, a life lived boldly, where every note tells a tale and every step dares to break the mold. So, what makes this enigmatic icon tick? Let's dive in. Born on June 14, 1961, George Allen O'Dowd, known to the world as Boy George, is not merely a musician, he is a kaleidoscope of contradictions and charisma, a man who has spun his life into an elaborate tapestry of rhythm, rebellion, and reinvention. Raised amidst the lively cacophony of a working-class Irish family in Bexley, Kent, George's roots trace back to the emerald fields of Thurles, County Tipperary, Ireland, where tales of perseverance and grit were perhaps first woven into his DNA. Imagine stepping into George's world, starting with his sprawling estate, a reflection of his eclectic personality. Nestled on several acres of lush greenery, his home is a visual symphony. The walls are a gallery of bold colors and avant-garde art, while his rooms echo with the hum of creativity, filled with rare vinyl records and vintage Bowie posters. His garden, a sanctuary of wildflowers and sculptures, mirrors his unapologetically unique style. Within these walls, George has likely hosted soulful jam sessions, philosophical conversations, and quiet moments of self-reflection. His love life has been as colorful as his career, peppered with relationships that mirrored his own intensity. Notably, his connection with Marilyn, Peter Robinson, a fellow icon of the British New Romantic movement, was as much about shared dreams as it was about shared eyeliner. George's romantic history, though often under the glare of the public eye, remains a testament to his complex humanity, fiercely passionate, vulnerable, and unapologetically authentic. A pivotal player in the British New Romantic movement of the late 1970s and early 1980s, Boy George's ascent began in the pulsing heart of London's nightlife. At the Blitz, a legendary nightclub helmed by Steve Strange of Visage, George mingled with luminaries like Spandau Ballet, soaking in the high-fashion theatrics inspired by David Bowie and the ethereal sounds of Kraftwerk and Mark Bolan. These influences became the threads that stitched his identity, a blend of glamour and grit, melancholy and magnificence. With Culture Club, George's star ascended to meteoric heights during the 1980s. His soulful voice, tinged with reggae beats and blue-eyed soul, evoked the spirit of 1960s and 70s American soul icons. Songs like Do You Really Want to Hurt Me? And Karma Chameleon became anthems of a generation, showcasing his ability to channel raw emotion through music. In his solo ventures, glam rock elements crept in, reflecting his admiration for Bowie and Iggy Pop, while his stage presence, flamboyant and androgynous, challenged conventions and became his signature. George's journey has also been marked by shadows. In 2009, he served time for assault and false imprisonment, an incident that etched a darker chapter in his life. Emerging from the ordeal, he wore his scars with honesty, an artist unafraid to confront his flaws. His resilience was evident in the 30th anniversary reunion of Culture Club, which, while not a full tour, rekindled the magic of a bygone era. By 2018, he and the band returned with Life, an album and accompanying tour that celebrated rebirth and artistic endurance. Beyond music, George has penned 2 autobiographies. Take It Like a Man, 1995, and Straight, 2005, delve into the labyrinth of his life, offering a candid exploration of fame, addiction, and redemption. Both works became bestsellers, cementing his legacy not just as a musician but as a storyteller. Now in his early 60s, with an estimated net worth reflective of a career spanning decades, Boy George remains a living testament to the power of reinvention. His home is not merely a residence but a reflection of a life lived boldly, his music a time capsule of cultural revolutions, and his spirit a beacon for those who dare to live authentically, unapologetically, and vividly. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.